Hey my gators, so I got these from Ikea and I have three I think of this size and then one big one, and these were still a deal. They were only 11 bucks. I was thinking of putting some wheels on the bottom, that way they can slide in and out under my bed, but for now they're in a closet on a shelf. But my tank tops were all over the place, so this is just a satisfying video of watching me just organize my tanks because I have so many, and I said it's time to declutter and organize these so my mental can feel good when I look in the closet and not feel like it's just so much going on and brings that heaviness. So enjoy the rest of the video and I will see you guys in my next video. Talk to me in the comments. I talk back later, gators. These are all the ones I'm getting rid of that are too big. Can y'all see the colors? That one, this black one, gold one, brown one. So these are all ones I'm getting rid of, and that's what I have to work with.